Today we're showing you a John Deere 4052R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H180 quick attach front loader. Also has the John Deere 485A quick attach rear backhoe. The whole unit is selling as one complete unit for one money. The front bucket is quick attach. Got the John Deere style system on it. The front bucket does have some paint off of it, as you can see, simply from normal use. Has the front grill guard, paint's in nice shape on the tractor. A little bit of paint off of the loader here in the one spot, pretty minor. Tires are good, front and back. And this is the Premium R series, so it does have the extra lights. Also has the upgraded seat. Seat swivels left and right. Has the 3-range hydrostatic transmission. Also have the full automotive style cruise control, load match, speed match, and motion match are all included. And again, does have the quick attach 485A rear backhoe. The backhoe is quick attach. The 3-point arms are included. They are used to hook up the backhoe, and it also has the subframe mount, which gives it strength. You can drop that backhoe in about 5 minutes, and you can use your tractor for brush hogging or anything like that. It does have the mechanical thumb on the backhoe, which is a nice option if you're handling brush or anything to that nature. Looks like we touched it up slightly here on the boom. It's a nice clean tractor. It's not a new unit by any means. It's got a couple chips here and there in the paint. It's not perfect, but it's a nice clean unit yet. It does have the buttons back here to move the tractor. For makes hooking 3-point attachments really easy. Also has the control to raise and lower your 3-point arms. We also take trades and offer trucking and financing. The tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.